A reported U.S. plan to sell the General Atomics Aeronautical Systems MQ-9 unmanned air vehicle to Taiwan will complicate Beijing's incessant prodding of the island's defenses. Media reports indicate that the value of the potential Reaper sale is $400 million, part of an overall package worth $3 billion. Based on previous foreign military sales, FMS deals involving the Reaper, Taipei could end up with 4 examples of the medium-altitude, long-endurance system. These could potentially be the SeaGuardian variant, which is optimized for maritime surveillance. The potential Taiwan deal emerged after the Trump administration's decision in July to modify the USA's adherence to the Missile Technology Control Regime, MTCR. An informal pact among 35 countries that originated in 1987, the MTCR is intended to prevent the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction through exports of delivery systems, such as cruise missiles. In recent years, however, it has effectively curtailed US UAV exports. Beijing vociferously opposes all arms sales to Taiwan. It will protest bitterly should the US Congress approve the overall package. It claims Taiwan is a breakaway province, and 2020 has seen it ramp up tensions by sending fighters and reconnaissance aircraft to probe Taiwan's air defenses. Beijing also took a dim view of September's Agile Reaper exercise by the US Air Force, which was designed to show the type's effectiveness against peer competitors. The exercise saw a trio of Reapers deployed to a remote location and emphasized maritime awareness. Agile Reaper is about beating adversary targeting cycles as we get MQ-9s into any location, rapidly relaunch, and create effects before the enemy detects and targets us, said USAF Lieutenant Colonel Brian Davis, 29th Attack Squadron Commander. We're putting penetrating, persistent, multi-role aircraft over the battlespace where least expected. This provides reduced risk, low-cost options to our leaders that present asymmetries to potential adversaries. It's combat initiative. This is strategic audacity. In a none-too-subtle illustration of the potential adversaries Davis spoke of, a commemorative patch issued for the exercise depicted a skeletal Grim Reaper superimposed with the crosshairs over a map of China. China's nationalistic Global Times newspaper was not impressed. Said a military expert in the report, the MQ-9 is not worth worrying about for China because it does not possess stealth capabilities and flies at a low speed and low ceiling, which makes it an easy target for ground-to-air missiles. Still, MQ-9s operating from Taiwan could turn out to be worrying indeed. Irrespective of the path the USAF takes with the MQ-9 as it seeks to improve UAV survivability and capability, notably through its MQ Next initiative, in the Taiwan context, the male asset's value lies firmly in deterrence. Preventing China from attempting to forcefully take Taiwan is the foremost challenge for Taiwanese defense planners and a high priority for their US counterparts. 2 recent think tank reports see a definite role for male UAVs in achieving the same.